Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and often misunderstood world of scorpions. When you picture a scorpion, what comes to mind? Probably a sandy-colored creature with a menacing tail, right? Well, there are actually over 2,500 different species of scorpions, and they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From the deserts of Africa to the forests of Asia and even the mountains of Europe, these ancient arachnids have adapted to nearly every environment on Earth. First up, let's talk about the big guns of the scorpion world. The emperor scorpion, found in the rainforests and savannas of West Africa. This species is one of the largest on the planet, often reaching lengths of up to 8 inches. But don't let their size intimidate you. Emperors are actually quite docile, which has made them popular in the pet trade. Their venom is mild, comparable to a bee sting, and they prefer to use their massive, powerful claws for defense and capturing prey like insects, lizards, and sometimes even small mice. Their glossy black exoskeleton is truly a sight to behold, often shimmering with blue or green hues under the right light. They're also surprisingly social for scorpions and are known to live in large groups, digging extensive burrows together under logs and rocks. Now, let us journey from the humid forests of Africa to the arid deserts of the Middle East and North Africa to meet a scorpion with a much more fearsome reputation, the deathstalker. Its scientific name, Laeorus quinquestriatus, hints at its danger. Despite its relatively small size, usually only about 3 to 4 inches long, the deathstalker possesses one of the most potent venoms in the entire scorpion family. It's a powerful neurotoxin that can be fatal to humans, especially children and the elderly. You can recognize them by their slender bodies, thin pincers, and pale yellow or greenish color, which provides excellent camouflage in their sandy habitat. Meet the giant forest scorpion, or Heterometrus swammerdami, from India and Sri Lanka. This behemoth can grow to over 9 inches long, making it the longest scorpion species in the world. It's a real heavyweight. Similar to the emperor scorpion, it has a bulky, powerful build with huge, menacing claws. Its coloration is typically a dark brown or reddish black. And also, like the emperor, its venom is relatively mild and not considered medically significant to humans. They are nocturnal hunters, emerging from their burrows at night to forage for large insects, other arachnids, and small vertebrates. Their sheer size is their primary weapon, allowing them to physically overpower their prey with those formidable pincers. Seeing one of these giants is an unforgettable experience. Let's head over to the Americas now, specifically the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, to find the Arizona bark scorpion. This one is particularly interesting and a little notorious. It's a small, light brown scorpion, rarely exceeding 3 inches in length. But what it lacks in size, it makes up for in 2 key areas. It's a serious medical event. Second, and what makes it unique, is its ability to climb. Unlike most scorpions that are bound to the ground, the Arizona bark scorpion can easily scale walls, trees, and even hang upside down from ceilings, which unfortunately brings them into homes more often. They are also the only common scorpion species in the region that gathers in large groups during the winter to hibernate. Now for something a bit different. Let's talk about the fatale scorpion, or Androctonus. The name Androctonus literally means man-killer in Greek, which tells you a lot. This genus includes several highly venomous species found across the semi-arid regions of North Africa and the Middle East. They are easily identified by their very thick, powerful tails, hence the common name, fatale. Their bodies are usually dark, ranging from black to dark brown, and they have relatively slender pincers. It generally means the scorpion relies heavily on its potent sting. Species like the Androctonus australis are responsible for numerous human fatalities each year in their native regions. They are aggressive, fast, and their venom is a fast-acting neurotoxin. Definitely a scorpion to admire from a very safe distance. While Australia is renowned for its venomous snakes and spiders, its scorpions are generally less of a concern. The marbled scorpion, or Licas marmorius, is a common species found across southern Australia. It's a small scorpion, only about an inch or two long, with a mottled, marbled pattern that helps it blend in with bark and leaf litter. While they can deliver a painful sting, it's usually just that painful, but not life-threatening. They are often found in gardens and sometimes wander into houses, giving unsuspecting residents a bit of a scare. It's a good example of how not all scorpions are a major threat, and they play an important role in controlling insect populations in their local ecosystems. Back in Asia, we find the fascinating Asian forest scorpion, another member of the Heterometrus genus, like the giant forest scorpion we met earlier. These are large, glossy black scorpions found throughout Southeast Asia, in countries like Malaysia and Thailand. They look very similar to the emperor scorpion and are often confused with them in the pet trade. They are also large, with powerful pincers and relatively mild venom. They thrive in humid, tropical environments, living on the forest floor where they dig burrows or hide under fallen logs. They are ambush predators, lying in wait for unsuspecting insects, spiders, and even small frogs to wander by. Their calm demeanor and impressive size make them another popular choice for scorpion enthusiasts. It's a great example of convergent evolution, where two different species, the emperor and Asian forest scorpions, evolved similar traits to fit similar ecological niches on different continents. So, what have we learned today? The world of scorpions is incredibly diverse. We have gentle giants like the emperor and Asian forest scorpions, who rely on their brute strength. We have small but deadly assassins like the deathstalker and the Arizona bark scorpion, whose power lies in their potent venom. We have the supersized giant forest scorpion, the ultimate heavyweight champ, and the notorious fatale scorpions, whose very name is a warning. And then we have more common, less dangerous species like the marbled scorpion, just doing their part in the ecosystem. It just goes to show you can't judge a scorpion by its size or color. The key indicators are often the pincers and the tail. Big, beefy pincers and a slender tail often mean a milder sting. Slender pincers and a thick, powerful tail. That's when you need to be extra cautious. This incredible variety is a testament to their evolutionary success. Scorpions have been around for over 430 million years, predating the dinosaurs. They've survived multiple mass extinctions and have colonized almost every continent, adapting and diversifying into the thousands of species we see today. They are not just desert dwellers. They live in forests, grasslands, mountains, and caves. They are a vital part of their ecosystems, acting as both predator and prey. While some species command our respect and caution due to their dangerous venom, all of them deserve our appreciation for their resilience and unique place in the natural world. So next time you see a scorpion, maybe in a documentary or even in the wild from a safe distance, Take a moment to appreciate the incredible diversity and ancient history packed into that tiny armored body. Thank you so much for joining me on this scorpion safari. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the animal kingdom. And I deep love to hear from you in the comments. What's the most interesting scorpion you've ever heard of? Or is there another creature you'd like us to explore next? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.